Yun o, kamusta mga kalapatid, mga kaburo ko to. So, shoutout to kay Jerome Esteban. So, meron siyang dumating na 3 ibon. 3 birds for today. Let's go! Okay. First bird, 45415 Jeds. Mukha siyang dark blue bar na ano, na may pagka-tensil. Yan. First bird. Yun o, gandang ibon. Ayaw tumingin. Yan. Shout out to Gerald Lop. First overall 2024. Yan. Congratulations again, buddy. Then, second bird. Second bird. 45430. Blue bar. Yan. Blue bar. Possible na hen. Yep. Di pa tayo nakapagtanggal ng kuko. Alright. And the third bird. Maamoy mga ibon mo. Hindi maiilap. So, third bird is 45431 blue bar. Possible na kak, malaking ibon. Yan. Alright, salamat kay Gerald Lop. Yep. The first overall champion last year, 2024 season. And good luck to your Warriors. Yung tatlo niya is April pa. So, good luck kapatid. Let's go. Peace out.